cracking with you, YouTube? Yeah, man, we back up bright and early in the G-body. We finna get ready to go. Take this thing, man. We got a few little things we got to do to it today, man. Like I said, thank y'all, everybody, man, for supporting my videos, man. And all y'all support is helping me get this car fixed correctly, man. So I really appreciate that. I'm going back Tuesday to drop the car off. You know, we supposed to go over the receipt because, like I said, some of the stuff I didn't know about. And some dude in the comments, man, I appreciate that, saying that the car wasn't recon from my previous video. So that's some money I'm gonna expect back, because I looked into what recon is and they definitely didn't do that. So I'm finna look into that and try to get that money back, plus a little more, plus get my car fixed. So y'all look out for that on Tuesday when we drop it back off, and see what these clowns got to say about everything that's going on with the car. But today, man, I'm gonna go take it to work, man, and we're gonna get rid of some of the mechanical issues we've been having. My speedo's off, so I got a new speedo gear we're gonna throw in there, drop a new speedo gear in there, and try to adjust my TV cable again. I think I got it right, but I'm gonna make sure it's really right. I'm gonna take the pan off, check that out, make sure I got it adjusted right, you know, see where, you know, if it's out far enough with, you know, setting it from the carburetor. So we're gonna do that, and then try to install some of these other little pieces we picked up, you know, new door jamb covers, T-top seals, need a little brake pedal cover, and then we got the door trim seals. We're gonna throw those on today too. So, you know, all this really is just test fitting stuff, because all got to come back off anyway, because I'm about to get ready to bust the interior all the way back out, and we got to get the floors done and sound deadened. So I'm finna get up here to the job, man. We're gonna get started messing with this, and I'll cut y'all back on when we get up there. Get off in here, man. Got these cats in. Stall open? That's my shit is open. So it's going. That bitch. That's Shut up. Shut up. Pulling up, man. Trying to get in here. So I get started on the G-body, man. Get it straight. Bit. Man, I still got to get these windows adjusted. I ain't even had time to really mess with the windows, and they still like, yeah, I gotta do all that. What you got to say, Dave?
The only way you gonna beat the GA right now is the way it is right now.
What happened to it?
I don't know, bro.
Did you figure out? Did you figure out the noise last night?
Nah, I went back over there to go start it.
Yeah.
It wouldn't start.
It wouldn't start?
Yeah, I need to rinse. You about to turn the motor.
Oh, bruh.
That's all I'm worried about right now.
So I got to see.
The motor turn.
Bruh, just imagine. So what's so crazy is this is what happened.
Bro, I'm sitting in the drive-thru, right? It said, engine overheating. Check engine oil. Clanner. I cut that bitch off. I'm not the one that said, hey, my car is overheated. I'm about to push it. I'll be right back for my food.
So you know what happened was, the G8 seen this motherfucker was out and ready. Shut her down and gave up hope. That's what happened, bro. Hey, listen, we're supposed to run them, and she get close to beating your ass. But you know, look, bro, I don't need no transmission.
You don't?
I don't know. I drove it here. I've been driving it, so I mean.
You been driving the fuck out of it? You been driving it?
I ain't stepped on it. I mean, I just been, you know, been driving. I ain't said.
Step on it, and once I get the G8 fixed, then we'll think about it.
All right, we might, man.
Oh shit!
We might, man.
We're about to have some vehicles race that don't exist no more.
G8, yeah.
And Monte Carlo.
Hey, he don't know about the G-body, man. He don't understand.
I just want to know what's happening.
Zane, let that man know about the G-body on the racetrack. You go to the racetrack, what you see, Zane? Fox bodies and G bodies. That's all you see when you hit the track.
I get that. I just want to make sure we're going to see some prehistoric.
I
just want to confirm.
Yeah.
80s versus the 2000s.
And neither one of these exist anymore.
Neither one of them exist anymore. Neither one exists anymore, man.
2 dinosaurs.
Bruh. All right, man. Let me turn this around, man. And start putting this speedo cable and speedo gear in this thing, man. I'm gonna cut y'all back on once I get it up in the air and get everything situated. Got it up, man. We under here. I'm trying to pull this off with one hand and holding the cable at the same time. See if we can get this gear out. We got the new one, man. That's they call it new old stock, I guess. We're gonna get that off. I know it's about to dump training fluid, so I gotta go quick. It's gonna dump training fluid. Damn. It's stuck. See if we can get it off. God damn. Huh. I don't seem right. It's barely coming out. So, my fluid's still low. I don't even know. We're gonna stab that new one in with the appropriate gear set. It says it's got the appropriate gear set. So, stick that in there. Says 373s. So we stuck the new one in. Lost a little bit of fluid, but I can't tell. I really can't tell the difference, but we'll see when we get it back together and start heading to the crib, man, and see if it worked right or not, because when I'm doing like 65, it say I'm doing like 85, so it's definitely off a little bit. And this is the correct gear. They said for this setup with a 200 R4 with 373s, which I think is what this has. But also, again, like I said, I don't know if my trans fluid is, I think it's the correct level, but we'll check. See if everything is correct with that. So I'm finna button this up, get it back together, and then we're gonna check it out on the way to the crib and see if that's working right, man. And I'm gonna install these other little parts I was talking about. I'll cut y'all back on. There it is, man. I got it out today, washed it, man. We went ahead and striped it. Taking it back, like I said, Tuesday. We're gonna get everything hopefully corrected Tuesday. Like I said, I appreciate all y'all support on those videos, man, because like I said, I didn't know, and now I'm glad I do know. So I'm gonna take it back, man. They're supposed to correct all the flaws that's wrong with this paint job. And when they do, you know, I'm still requesting a refund. I still need some money back because I still feel like they overcharged me. But like I said, man, I just brought it out today, man, to do a couple things to it. Get that speedo cable in there, get it straight. We did a couple other things to it too, man. But I still gotta vacuum it out. We got the new seal plates in. I gotta finish cleaning it. But like I said, I'm gonna let them do that because they owe me a full detail as well. Just showing y'all, man, I brought it in today, did a little work. Going back to Mako Tuesday, that video definitely gonna be a good one, man, because it's we're gonna go over it and we're gonna make sure that they understand what I want and what I expect for my money. So yeah, man, like, share, comment, subscribe. Once again, thank everybody for supporting the videos and helping me understand, like, you know what I'm saying, I got took it. It definitely won't happen again. Appreciate y'all support, man. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank y'all again.